I got the news from a friend who once studied there, so he recommended the program, and I was interested, so I got to apply, and I'm lucky that I got the chance. Basically, I've been in a leadership role for a bit of a while. I started as a district manager since 2012. So to me, leadership comes to be a key factor that I need to have the skills to. So having searched for the program, I saw that it has a lot of skill set for me to improve my leading. So I applied because I wanted to enhance my leadership skills. My favorite model out of all was the Leading for Results model. It's when you learn how to get things done by leading. As most of us leaders, we get involved in a lot of daily activities or managerial activities, but not all of them are aligned towards results performance. For our case in Tanzania Revenue Authority, we have our core values, namely accountability, integrity, and professionalism. So in order to have accountability, the results need to be led properly. And this is to say that you ensure that at all levels, everyone is accountable towards the results. So through this course, it helps us improve the core value of accountability. The program is highly insightful, very flexible, and it's very, very interactive. My advice and call to them is that the program is having a lot of leadership skills that not only you can apply at your work, but rather can cut across all levels that needs your leading, like from family level to institutional levels, to all levels of leadership. So it's a set of skills that you attain and can help transform your life. So my advice is for them to seek the details from UONGOZI Institute and as quickly as possible apply and join the program. It's a must-do program.